Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. So in today's tutorial, we'll be guiding you on how to position for Plume Network Incentivized Testnet Waitlist. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. Since it's an incentivized waitlist, there are guaranteed rewards for participants and they have over 10 million in funding. To join the waitlist, you need to perform some tasks. Now let's head to the site. The link to the waitlist will be in the description box below. So you need to connect your wallet. Click on connect wallet. I'm using MetaMask. I already have a MetaMask extension on my browser. So all you need to do is scroll down, next, confirm, connect wallet to sign. So sign to verify. Click on sign. So your wallet is verified. All you need to do is click on next. Connect X, that's your Twitter handle. Authorize app. So you also need to connect your Discord. So you've connected your X. Okay, required, you must follow their socials. You must follow Plume Network, must follow Plume, must like their tweets, and must retweet. So let's do the task. Follow. And let's go back. Follow the next one. Follow. And let's go back to the next one. Like a tweet. Just perform all these tasks. They are not hard, they are very easy. It's just a normal Twitter task. Like. So perform the last one with okay. Repost. Let's go back. Now we've performed all the tasks, so it's remaining Discord. Connect Discord. So authorize. Your Discord is connected already, so you must join their Discord server. Click on it. Accept invite. So you've joined their Discord. Accept. After joining, make sure you verify your account on their Discord. Go back. Click on verify. And verify your account. Continue. Continue. Okay, you have to click on the image that contains green numbers 312 331 31 31 2 3 3 1. So you've been verified. Now let's head back to the page. After joining, all you need to do is refresh it to show a blue tick. Now click on I am not a robot. Plant palm trees. Select Now click on submit. So now here's how it works. You already earned 330 points. If you invite your friend, here's your referral link. Once you just need to copy it, then share with your friends. Once they join and perform the task, you earn 30 more points. Now here is all about the Plume Network Incentivized Testnet Waitlist. I hope this video has been very helpful, guys. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your question. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.